Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can download the Netflix application on your device and log in. Now, for you to download the Netflix application, firstly your device will have to be connected to the internet. Now, once you have access to the internet, just open up the Play Store application on your phone. After the home page of the Play Store application opens up, just click on the search option. After you've clicked on the search option, type in Netflix and then hit the search button. Now once you hit the search button, you'll be redirected to this page. Now you can just simply click on this install button and then wait for Netflix to be installed in your device. After Netflix has been installed into your device, this open button will appear. You can just open up Netflix by clicking on this open button, or you can find the Netflix application on your phone and then just click on it. Now once you've opened up Netflix on your phone, you can just click on this sign in button, input your credentials and just hit the sign in button again. After you followed these steps, you'll be logged into Netflix on your mobile device. I hope this video helped you to download the Netflix application on your phone and log into it. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.